Have you ever just wanted a place to be silent?
To really truly understand the tea room, we have to go back to where it all began, which happens to be one of the most chaotic and violent times in all of Japanese history.
The samurai created a sanctuary to find peace in a world of war. And while our battles might look a little different today, that need for silence, for a sacred space to clear our minds and face ourselves, well, it's more urgent than ever.
So, what is a tea room exactly? Well, it's so much more than just four walls and a roof. The tea room is this fascinating cultural intersection. It's where the samurai warrior's code of honor, what's called Bushido, meets this deep aesthetic philosophy known as Wabi-sabi. And all these big ideas come together in a really simple 5-step ritual. It starts and ends with a bow, a sign of respect. And in between, you have meditation and tea. It's a sequence designed specifically to guide your mind toward that Zen state.
It's in this incredibly hostile environment that Oda Nobunaga, probably the most famous samurai in history, sees a new, radical potential for the tea room.
That same samurai diplomacy has a really powerful application in the modern business world too.
That Zen-like atmosphere, it just encourages everyone to relax. And when people's defenses are down, it makes it so much easier to foster mutual acceptance and build genuine trust.
But what if you could actually build this sanctuary for yourself? The entire structure is designed to be assembled by just 2 people. And get this, the time commitment is almost nothing. The whole assembly takes only about an hour.
In a world with constant stress from work, from parenting, from just daily life, creating a space like this is a direct investment in your own mental well-being.
I mean, just look at these benefits. It's a sanctuary where the entire goal is to do nothing and think nothing. A place where you can finally find enough silence to hear your own inner voice.